Now for the moment of truth. We'll kick this thing into gear and see if it actually is doing what it should be doing. I've actually rearranged the panel here to show us our programmed rate. So that's telling me what application rate I have set. The actual rate will cycle here. I've got my speed locked in here using a shortcut icon, which is showing that 20 kilometres. That's in the test speed. And down here we'll have our litres per minute. Now when you do a speed simulation test like that, this is to be done in automatic mode. With the hand flashing, currently we're in a manual mode. So I have the sections on, I'll throw the master switch and I'll press automatic and we'll watch the numbers line up as we go. Once the sprayer settles down, it should settle around 40 litres per minute when it hits 60 litres per hectare. And happy days, it's managed it. So it makes sense, why don't we test the slow speed and then try the high speed, just to see that we've got enough regulation control to achieve the 25.6 and that we're achieving the right flow at both 2 bar and 5 bar at the extremities of our spray plan. So the next step I'll do, still have our 60 litres per hectare as per the plan. I'll go back into a simulation, into our toolbox, and remember we can't get the point in here, we're only going to get the round number. So we're looking for 16.2 as calculated, but we'll just put in a speed of 16. Sixteen is now showing up on our icon there. Our flow will start high because of where the position of the regulator is at the moment, and it will cycle down to somewhere around 32 to 33 litres. 32.4 is the exact figure, but remember we haven't got the exact speed in. And away we go. It's chasing down. It's about to hit the 60 and we're around cycling between 32. Yep, settle around that 32 figure. So that's pretty good. Next thing to do is why don't we test the high end. So we've got to put the top speed in now off our spray plan. So we're now looking here for our 25.6, 5 bar, and we're going to then end up with a flow of 1.28 litres per nozzle and 40 nozzles in total. So we're looking for a figure of 51.2 in the litres per minute flow figure here. So we'll go into Toolbox again. We'll go to Speed Simulation. And I can only input, we might input 26. It's 25.6 is the figure we're looking for, but this will give us a fair indication of what's going to happen. So our flow should be somewhere around 51 to 52 and a half. Start it up and the sprayer's taken a little bit of time to settle because we've taken it from a 2 bar setting now up to a 5 bar setting, and it's managed to achieve that there, and it's running 51 litres on the screen. So I'm fairly happy with the setup there, that spray unit is going to be able to achieve what we're trying to achieve.